Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to segment your email list for higher conversions in 2025. Now, if you are sending the same email to everyone and you are losing the clicks or the sales, let's go through how you can segment your list the smart way so that every message hits the right audience. So first of all, in the first step, you need to start by grouping the people based on how they interact with your brand. For example, one group for the people who open every email, another for those who clicked but didn't buy, and one for the inactive subscribers. So this helps you send the follow-ups that match each person's actions. Now in the step 2, if you run an online store, you can separate the customers by what they bought or what often they buy. You can send the product recommendations or discounts based on their interests. For example, if someone bought skincare, don't send them hair care promotions. You can increase personalization is going to increase the repeat purchases faster. Then you can also use the data like age, gender or country, which is tailored to your emails. If you run the region specific offers or time sensitive promotions, this particular step is going to ensure your message lands at the right time for the right audience. You can also try identifying who is most engaged with your emails. You can send exclusive offers or early access to the high engagement subscribers and reactivation emails to the low engagement ones. So this keeps your open rates high and your list clean. Now you can use the tags and automation tools. So as you can see, currently I'm in MailChimp. So you can use MailChimp or ConvertKit or Bravo. Here you will see the option of using the tags. So you can use tags and segments to automate this particular process. You can set some of the rules here very easily, and automate is going to basically assure every subscriber gets the content that actually converts. So this way you will be able to basically segment your email list for higher conversions in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.